In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox connection error. Now first what we want to try is, you want to come down here, press Windows button R to open up run, or you can simply search for run down here. From in here you want to type in %temp percentage and press OK. Now in here there should be many different folders. What you want to do is click on one of them, press R, and you will find the Roblox. Now try deleting this one, and then after deleting it, you want to reopen Roblox. Now this should hopefully fix your issue. If it doesn't, then you might have some internet connection issues. So make sure you're on an internet. Also, the last thing you can do is simply go on Google and search for the Roblox status and check if their servers are down. Now that should be about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.